Good morning, families. Welcome to day 7 of our distance learning plan. Today is Wednesday. Today we're just going to very quickly walk through what our plan is going to be for the day. One question I have for you all is, did you receive week 2 of paragraph of the week? Because I can't find my copy. So if you did not, let me know and we'll figure out something else to do. And if you did, great. Can you also let me know? For reading and responding today, your students should be reading in their Read to Self book, and then they have a journal entry for today. So in their Writer's Response Journal, it's the orange and green one in the back that says the tab that says Journal Entry. Please write, if their book has changed, the title and the author. What is the problem that the characters are facing right now? So sometimes there's a big umbrella problem that goes throughout the book, and then there's little problems throughout the story. And how are they working to solve that problem? And then simply ask a question that they can answer the next time they journal. Today's reading passage is called Vampire Bats. And so it's just a nonfiction passage about bats. There is some questions to answer on bats. We're looking at true and false. So we're skipping that. How are bats alike and different? And then there is an optional crossword puzzle if your student is interested. So there's true and false is in there. Just write true or false and alike and different. Okay. For our grammar passage, it's lesson 6, prepositional phrases. So if I can get down there to the 6th one, it's prepositional phrases. It tells you what a prepositional phrase is. Circle the one and draw the bold-faced word that it describes. So what information is being told in that prepositional phrase? So the Underground Railroad began about 1830. About is your preposition. It's giving more information about when it began. For MCA practice or practice B today, you've got page 29 and 30. So finding the perimeter, doing some multiplication. Oh no, that's a division problem. Choosing a word problem that would match and reading a graph. For math today, there are continuing to look at area and perimeter problems. So the first one is using tiles or using this chart. How many different ways can we make some rectangle tables? And then the final problem is working on area and perimeter, finding the perimeter of a rectilinear shape, so a shape that is not a typical looking rectangle. So just adding around, your student might need some support with this, and how I would tell you to do it is you break it into 2 different rectangles. So if I know that this is 2, right, if I go like that, imagine it's a straight line. If this is 2 and this is 5, this has to be 3 because 2 plus 5 is 3. All right, I would like